What's going on, AI pros? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about the simplest method to generate $1,000 daily online through AI and ChatGPT. Now, if you've never made money online before, don't worry, you're in the right place. I'm going to share with you everything you need to get started today. But before we get started, I want to invite you to go ahead and get the Digital Playbook. It is this Google sheet you see right here. All you need to do is just go to digitalplaybook.com, put in your first name, email, and you will get taken to a page where you can get a software that will take you to the Google Sheet. So it will show you exactly what it takes to start earning money online with AI. So now let's jump into the topic for today. Going over to the whiteboard, there's 5 things that we are going to cover. First one, we already took care of about getting the Digital Playbook. Next one is we want to select an AI tool. Now, if we go over here, click on 130 plus AI tools, there are going to be a bunch of AI tools that you can pick to promote. Video tools, image tools, writing tools. The ones up here I like and are using today just because they have really good different affiliate programs. Pictory, Pixels, Leonardo, all these ones that I would recommend. Most of the time, if not all, if we go to a tool like GoHighle and scroll to the very bottom, there will be a place for you to affiliate program, hit become an affiliate, and then that will give you some link that you can start driving traffic to. Next step is going to be replicate content. I say replicate because in the Digital Playbook, if we go under IG Reels, what my team has done is they have gone through different accounts and they have replicated that has been proven to work. So all you would need to do is essentially just download these to your computer, to your phone, whatever you're using, and then you would want to upload them onto your different social media accounts. Now, what I would recommend is going into a software like CapCut and adding some overlays, captions, maybe some background music just to change it up a little bit. Going back to the whiteboard is going to be send traffic to your links. So how you're going to be sending traffic is, like I said, you're going to be creating a bunch of short form content and then scheduling it out. Now, once you sign up for a tool called GoHighle, this is that tool right here that I just used as an example. This is what I use to do everything from create my funnels, send emails, and it even has a scheduling tool that allows you to schedule out content. So once you are in here, this is going to be your account. Now, if you don't know how to set everything up or just want someone to walk you through it, if you go over here, myself or someone from my team can get on a call with you and help you. But also, if you start with the course, this is what I recommend everybody do. There is a free course that'll take you step by step on just how to get everything set up. So going back over here, we want to go over to marketing, and marketing is where the calendar or social planner is that allows you to schedule out all your content. So what I do is I just have my team come in here, schedule out some content for the month, and then really I just got to go in and make sure it all looks okay. So really, you want to go up here, settings, connect your different social media accounts. You can do Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, pretty much all the main ones. If you're just starting off, just do like Facebook or Instagram or whichever profile that you have the most traction on. Get that scheduled out, and then you can start generating and sending traffic to your different links. Now, one thing I want to cover, which is going to be covered in that free course as well, is setting up or how you're able to get my funnels, get my automations directly imported into your account. So over here, you'll see something called import snapshot. So what a snapshot is it takes everything that's in my account and imports it into your account. So you don't have to build the automations or build the tech specs or build the funnels. That's already all done for you when you go ahead and import this snapshot. So all you would do is click import, and then I'll just go ahead and show you real quick. import snapshot, you won't have all of these. You'll just have one that says Digital Playbook snapshot. You'll click create new account, and then once you create an account, it'll take you to just the main screen where you have to add account manually, and then it'll take you to a screen that just looks like this on the launch pad, which will tell you to connect all these different things, but you don't have to really. You just want to connect a Facebook or some type of social media profile. You will have all my different funnels, but really this is the only one that you need. This is basically just a main opt-in page where you'll be able to have some type of title of whichever tool you decide to pick. You'll want some 5 to 7 minute long form video explaining whatever tool you chose, because a lot of these people that are going to be coming to this page are going to be traffic that was generated from short form. For you to be able to get their email, it's helpful to have some type of bridge page in between the interaction from the short form to them getting onto your email list. And then once they enter it in, they will get put into an automation. In the automation, you'll get all these, but the main one is going to be the new email automation. And what you'll see is there's about 60 emails that you'll have access to. When we click into an email and you see this hyperlink, whenever they click on that, that takes them to your affiliate link. But you see right here, there's a custom value. I put this custom value in here so that when people import their snapshot, my affiliate link would not be in that URL. So all you would need to do to make sure that your affiliate link is imported in this custom value, you'll just want to go back to settings, and then there'll be a tab called custom values, and then you will just need to create one affiliate link, then add new custom value, and then my bad, you don't need to search that right there. This is where you'll make the name affiliate link, and then put that whatever your URL is, and then boom, hit create. I already have one, that's why I typed that out. Boom. So every time that is entered, boom, I have that as my value. So it helps with just your time to get started, because that's what a lot of people struggle with, is getting started. So hopefully with this digital playbook and everything, I help you guys get started and start seeing some results within that 30-day free trial. So we start sending traffic to that link, and then the last one is just automating and repeating the process. So just to wrap up, this is going to be your key to everything with the free course. You have a whole list of AI tools. These are done for you emails, IG Reels, even different IG images. And then there is an old checklist that has how I record my videos. We have, how to build an opt-in, contact forms, which allows you to send thousands of emails, automations. So a bunch of stuff that you could get lost in, but just start taking action now. So that's it for this video, AI pros. Any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.